What's going on, YouTube? I am back with another video. So in this video I'm pretty much going to be giving y'all an update on pretty much my channel, the Infinity, and what I plan to do next. So I'm gonna roll the intro real quick and then we're going to get right into the video. Alright, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Let's get 15 likes on this video. But yeah, so pretty much if you don't know already, I do have a 2004 G35 sedan. Here's a 6-speed manual. Most of you, if you're new to this channel, probably haven't seen it, so I'll go ahead and give y'all a breakdown of the car. It has 200,000 miles. It is a 6-speed manual like I just mentioned. Then for the mods, I have a DC Sport cold air intake, full SPC suspension, KYB struts, and then it's on Manzo lowering springs, lowered 2.5 inches in the front and 1.8 in the rear. Then it's sitting on some 20-inch XIX staggered rims. I forgot the offset, but that's just a quick breakdown of what I've done to that car. Then it has a muffler and resonator delete. So that's pretty much the build on that car. I built that car before I did YouTube, so I really don't have any footage of any of it. But yeah, so I haven't had that car on the channel in a minute because pretty much the brakes have been giving me problems. I just changed the calipers, rotors, and the brake pads, and pretty much what was going on was my back brakes went bad, and those are the last ones that I changed. So ended up being a master cylinder and the brake booster going out, which thank God that I changed all of that, because would have been driving and my brakes could have went out. So changed all of that, but the brake booster that was sent to me was faulty, and as well as the master cylinder, they both went out. So I had to get a new master cylinder, and my brake booster went out, so I had to send the brake booster back. Still waiting to get another one, so that's the hold up on that car. And then I have a brand new check valve for that system as well. So that's pretty much the update on the Infinity. It just needs all of that. But I'll go ahead and throw a clip in of me going over, you know, the new brakes and all of that, everything. Put some drilled and slotted rotors on it, and then the calipers too, on the front and the rear. So yeah, you got those, and yeah, I did that. You see, both are gone. So I changed those about 2-3 weeks ago, and when I put the new one on, brakes went to the floor. Put the new master cylinder on, brakes went to the floor. Got another one, then changed the brake booster with the replaced master cylinder. So that was my third one, my third master cylinder, second brake booster. Same thing happened, it was leaking. So only other thing that I can change now is a check valve, which I have, but that is the original brake booster. I'm waiting on another one to come in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The car still runs, but I had a battery disconnected. But yeah, so taking the brake booster off wasn't hard, but there is one bolt behind the steering column that's just a pain to get to. But overall, I mean, it wasn't tough. Yeah, so that's pretty much it on the Infinity. As for the Camaro, it was at a body shop about a mile, not even half a mile away. It was totaled. If you didn't watch my other videos, Camaro's totaled. I got all my stuff out of it. One of you told me that Copart came, well, they came and picked it up, and it's at the Copart in Wilmer, Texas. So if you want a car to rebuild, then it's at Copart in Wilmer, Texas. So that's pretty cool that someone told me that. Thank you again to whoever told me that information. I forgot your name, but thank you. That car will be replaced eventually. I'm just waiting on this market to calm down. Right now the market prices are very high on every used car, and I won't be buying anything brand new because that's you know, I can get something better used for the channel. It's just better financially for me. But yeah, I'm gonna replace a Camaro, but most likely it won't be another 5th gen Camaro. So I mean, we'll see. I have plenty of options for the price range that I'm looking at. Yeah, that's pretty much all I'll give y'all for right now, because I don't know what I'm buying yet. But before I get another car, before I get the Camaro replacement, I'm probably gonna get another daily and slash something else to build on the channel. Won't be anything crazy. Just would be something that's reliable, because the Infiniti is older, has quite a few problems now, and it's not a very liable option for me right now. I think I'm gonna go a different direction though with the vehicle I go with next, so hopefully I have it by the next video, but don't count on it. I could have a brand new vehicle, not brand new, but I could have another vehicle by next video. Won't be anything crazy again. It probably won't even be a car, so we'll see. That's pretty much an update on what's currently going on. If you want to know what happened with Camaro, or why I'm not, you know, why it's at Copart, then watch some of my previous videos. They'll explain everything. That's about it for this video. So if you like the video, then go ahead and give it a like. If you're ready to see a new build on the channel, drop a like as well. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments as always. Let me know what kind of car you want to see next as far as the Camaro replacement. I'm looking at all comments. I reply to almost all comments, so y'all stay tuned for that. As always, y'all take it easy, stay safe, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.